This is what $500,000 can get you in Sacramento, in the Natomas area, off of the I-5. Let's get straight into it. Okay, we are here in Natomas, on the other side of the freeway, right over by Bel Air. And over there is the tracks you can go running along. And you'll see it in the backyard too. This is 4 bedrooms, 2 baths, 1,817 square feet. And yeah, let's go inside. Got a nice step in here. And this was built in 2001 as well. So you got some of the new flooring in here. You can see like that. And then as I'm backing up in the corner, you can definitely see that there is some natural lighting going on here. If you're wondering, this is just a mirror. It almost makes the room feel a lot longer from when you walk in. Yeah. And this one just came on the market today. And as we go off to the left, we got our 2 bedrooms over here. As you look to our right, you're gonna see the first one. They got newer doors replaced. So that's why you see the doors here. It's a little dark. You'll need to have a lamp placed in either that outlet or the other outlet for the switch to work. Nice size closet though too. There you go. Okay, so we got another one. Looking down here, we've got newer cabinet doors. Quite a bit of them right here. They're coming along. First bathroom. Newer doors, cabinet doors, and with the stainless steel handles. You also got the stainless steel faucet sinks. I think this is Korean granite, but let me know. Yeah, you got your standard tub, shower head, high ceilings though. All right, then you got your second bedroom, which is towards the front. A little bit smaller than the first one. I'm over here in the corners and panning out so you can see. Yeah. All right. Now, as we look directly in front of us, you can place some china or anything if you like, or some books. Closet right here for your coats. Thermostat over here. And these ceilings has got to be like between 10 to 12 feet. And then you've got a beautiful kitchen. Look at that. Nice cabinet doors. Here, newer. You got your granite countertops, stainless steel appliances, fridge right there, Samsung, and then GE, and the Samsung. Oh, with a nice backsplash too. And I'll turn around here and pan out so you can see how open it is towards the living room. Let's go in the garage. Now you've got your washer dryer right here. Lots of cabinet space. Even more space here too to set up some shelving if you like. Now you got your 2-car garage. Trust me, the Hemi does not come with the home, but everything is negotiable in real estate. So yeah, 2-car garage, a little bit of shelving right there. I do like this 392 Hemi though. All right. Now as we come back out here, we've got the open living room or family room. You will place the dining room table right here. And you can have a couch set up over there with the TV right there. Of course, back in the 2000s, builders would make indents in the wall to fit the TVs, because back then they had the plasma TVs. But yeah, fireplace right here. As you see, boom, boom. And yeah. Oh, you got your ceiling fan too, because it does get hot. Now, with this right here, this will probably need to be replaced because you see condensation within the two windows. And so yeah, this would need to be replaced. Scroll out. And you got your backyard with the shed. There's a lock on it though. And then when I get up here, I'm gonna turn around and see, give you that kind of view. But right now, look at that. So you got your trailer on there, going all the way down. And then over here you got fields, because down there is El Central Road. You can just drive down there for a little bit. It's like a back road from the freeway. And yeah. And actually over there, over that way, is the Witter Ranch Elementary School. Pretty peaceful around here. Yeah, so you got your stucco exterior with concrete tile ceilings, which is preferred out here in California because of the weather. I'll leave it open for right now. Take a look at these bathrooms and bedrooms. Got your closet right there. Store some linens. Then you got your third bedroom, which is a little bit bigger than the second one we looked at. Now pan out so you can see, and this is to the left of the home as you're looking at the front of it. Take a look in the closet. It should be bigger space with the spacing with this. Yeah, like I said, yep, bigger space because of the way of the room was shaped. And you got the attic entrance right there. And you see how it kind of curves along here. So it goes this way and then boom. I knew that was gonna be something for the closet. And then you got your master bedroom with the nice ceilings too. The ceiling fan as well. Recessed lighting, cable hookup. Come over here and pan out as well. Yep. And this is facing the other side of the home as well. Then you got your tile flooring in your bathroom, thank goodness, because you know, back then, it might have been carpet. Separate door for the toilet. Got your shower and bathtub. And then you've also got your two frameless mirrors, nice light fixture. I'm still going with the Korean granite for the countertop. White cabinet with the stainless steel appliances, and you got your walk-in closet. So this is actually kind of deep. Let's see. Yeah, man. Yes, men and ladies. Ladies and men. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. What was your favorite part? Was it the trails in the backyard, or was it the spacing in the home? Let me know in the comments. I cannot wait to see you again. Y'all have a good one.